So what's the next car you gonna get?
Oh,
No matter of fact, your dream car is this car, right?
I have like my dream car.
Okay, so what's your closest dream car you feel like you want, like you could get?
The closest one?
Yeah.
GTR NSX. What it do? What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie. Whoa! All right, what it do, y'all? This is your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day, and make sure you guys go to the website right down below the video. In the description is the website to immortalsociety.net. Make sure you guys go pick up some merch, and then also it's gonna be on the video right now. Today we're gonna do a few things, but I gotta get both of these cars filled up and get them ready for next week. Yeah, look at my brother's car right there, and my little brother got the carbon fiber hood for his car. It looks insane, and this shit's going bye-bye. I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about putting back the fucking canards back onto the Teggy. I think it's only right. I think it's only dope. And also, we are going to be painting this car, and I'm about to get it done immediately. I've been saying it for the longest. I've been saying it for over a year, but we're about to do it. All right, so Zon.
Yeah, the shit finally came in. It took 3 fucking months, but I'm just giving y'all a little.
Just to give a
peek.
sample.
Ooh, it's a little hint.
No, do that. Oh my God, that's all y'all get. But that the homie you, we haven't seen him in a minute, man. And today we are doing something super epic. My little brother finally got his carbon fiber hood. He spent $1,800 on this hood, and it took 3 months for him to get it. So we finally got it back. We finally got his hood about like 2 weeks ago. So it's just been a process trying to find somebody to do it, but I forgot Yui knows how to do everything. So we came by Yui's house. He's gonna help install it. And yeah, man, so let's go show you guys the car. Yeah, buddy, Yui right here with the high rev garage, you know what I'm saying? Hellcat red guts, delete it. But yeah, you see how you doing it, man. Make sure you guys go follow High Rev Garage YouTube channel right here on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Brother, man, my brother for life, man. And Zon, doing your fine, your new exhaust. I mean,
I wish I had
your new hood. 3 months.
Yeah.
3 months. 3 months wait, right?
So everyone, the sound doesn't matter. It's how you drive the car.
Facts.
Have
Facts.
a nice sound, but
Facts.
you're gonna get gapped by 2 car lanes. Sounds pretty bad over the exhaust.
Right. That is real shit.
It can sound good, but it sounds bad if you got gapped.
Yeah.
Hey, and it's official. I'm going with him. You said 2 weeks?
Yeah, so it's CMI Fling. It's at Sacramento Race Sports. It's on September 12th. I believe it's on a Sunday, 2 weeks. So your boy Richie Rich Mo is gonna be out there to
Yes, sir.
burnout
Yes.
and race.
Yep.
He ain't racing the Hellcat, but he's gonna be racing other guys.
Hey, you got me fucked. I want to chase you. Go on. Let me just give my
Yeah,
little.
it was cool.
No.
This was,
But no.
bone stock around 11.1 and 11.2.
Shit.
That's 133 miles per hour in a bone stock vehicle. Nothing done
Insane,
to the motor,
insane.
suspension, not even an intake. All I did
Wow.
was the car.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No
That's
intake?
at 90 something degree weather.
No intake?
Sacramento, huh?
No intake?
Nothing.
Wow.
Bone stock. I didn't. Shit. I
What?
didn't do anything.
And you put in those numbers?
Yeah. Well, you saw my red eye. I ran better.
Yeah, well, yeah, right.
10.4, my
But,
stock red eye.
but,
Bone stock. Nothing.
wow.
You can look in there, like you can see my interior seats there. I didn't
Oh, yeah, you just took,
bone stock. The
wow.
only thing I always do, what did I always tell you?
Oh,
When you
catch
buy
can.
a car,
Oh, catch
or
can.
catch any crankcase will be there. Why? Save your motor. Why have all the bad blow off dirt debris that goes in, bypass to the oil line, to the head, to the blower, come back around, recirculate? Why do that?
You know
That's
what?
Like saying it's like saying you're freaking showering in dirty water consistently for the next day.
yeah.
Why would you do that?
Right.
You know, if
Prevent
you love
it.
your car, love your motor. So the only thing I always do is, catch crank and the crankcase be there.
Oh, yup, right there.
But,
Nice.
like I
Red
said,
guts.
I stripped the vehicle.
Damn.
Nothing in here.
Do it take hella long to strip?
Nah.
I hella
I do
want
it
to do.
so many times.
I want to do that
you
shit
know?
to my car so bad. Cause nobody ever goes in my car. And I really want to do it because I want to start racing.
Well,
Hey, you
hopefully I'll get the wide body on soon, which is chilling
Woo.
right
So, hey, you think you could trip my shit if I pay you before race?
Yeah.
Before we go to race?
there.
Bro, he can do everything, bro.
Yeah, well, yeah, Yui could do it. Hey, Yui, no, for real, I want to actually start performing racing and stuff, so I need you to help me. I want to get.
Soon, because Colt is about to buy his Roush.
Oh,
You know how
shit.
Colt really likes his
Oh, yeah, for
We
sure.
wanted a Shelby, but there's still.
The
Don't
markups
get
is
me wrong,
ridiculous.
I will always love Shelby, like the GT350R, because the tuning suspension is on point. I
Right.
love the magnet
Right.
suspension. I would love a GT500, but that's like 100 racks plus whatever.
Yeah, the markups is
But
ridiculous.
the way I see it is also, I raced these. What's my third Hellcat, my fifth challenge, my fifth Charger.
Yep.
Wait, fifth Dodge.
Dodge, yep.
I've never had a problem. But with the Shelbys, you know, they're braking. They're just not reliable. I still want one though. Doesn't
Oh,
mean
yeah,
I
for
hate
sure,
it.
for
It's
sure.
just- it's a lot. It has a lot of issues. to
Right,
it, and
right.
they're working on
You
it.
already driven them too, right? The,
Oh yeah, I
Shelbys?
fucking drove one of my boy Max 500 Shelby. Man, I loved it. It was, you know, it doesn't matter if you're like Dominic or Paul Walker. You're not
Right.
gonna shift faster than 10.3.
Oh, yeah, for sure, for sure.
There's just no way unless
Right.
you're a fucking god.
Right,
You know what I'm
right,
saying?
right.
That's facts, man.
So,
Damn, yeah, I'm doing it though. I'm gonna do it.
you should be lucky. I haven't worked on any car here since my whole little split. The first person here that's been in my garage since ever.
Back in the.
I held on high road garage, you know, just for a minute, 'cause, you know, it was our thing.
Yeah.
I just worked on myself a little bit, you know, do me.
Mhm.
But I wasn't even sure when he told me that, hey, can you come on? I was like, man, I didn't work on anybody's car forever.
Yeah, man, yeah, bro.
But I was like, yeah, I'll do it for the Brody.
No, I appreciate you, bro. You always come through for me.
Yeah.
Seriously.
So let's get this carbon fiber.
Hell
going.
yeah.
Woo!
Hey, now we're gonna start working on my engine. I want to start doing a little thing. I need to get. I'm gonna get an intake though.
Yeah, 5.0, right?
Yeah.
Look up JLTs.
JLTs.
That's the one I ordered. They're pretty good.
Okay.
Because they keep heat out of the engine bay.
Oh shit.
So
See
they
that?
have
Yeah.
house, it's like a red eye. You know how they have the little box in?
Yeah.
That separates from the engine bay.
And I noticed
it's not
that-
a closed box. It just separates.
Yeah,
It's like-
separate.
imagine like a box like this.
Yeah.
It's not closed like this. but
Yeah. But it's open.
It's separate from the engine itself.
I seen that. I've been watching a lot of people YouTube Shelby's and GTs. They all got that boxed in thing.
I know when I had a Fox body and a 5.0 when I was younger,
Mhm.
I used to run like BBK and all that. They're all street legal stuff. They're good, but JLT.
I
they're
want the
really
best of
good.
the
I would
best.
go JLT.
JLT.
They're really good.
I'ma check
especially
them
for
out.
lowers.
I'ma check
I was
them
gonna
out.
do it with my. If I had a Shelby GT50R, I would get a JLT.
I'ma
That
have-
comes
yeah.
in tomorrow. Matter of fact.
Ooh shit. hey, it's good.
I'm not even lying. Like,
yeah.
I got pictures that says it should be here tomorrow.
Ooh. All right, so it's official, y'all.
Right there. It says on its way.
Oh shit, it's on its way.
Oh, my
31st.
God.
So it comes
Oh yeah,
in
it's just tomorrow.
So
Hey.
I told myself keep the car stock. I ran a good time, ran 11. I'm happy with it. Now I want my 10s again. So don't
feel
get me
you.
wrong, I do miss the red eye. I love it. I had a lot too much history in it, so it's just one of those things you kind of gotta let go.
Right,
you know,
right,
if you
right,
love
right.
something, you gotta let
Gotta
it go.
go, yeah.
Start a new one, and I promise this one, I'm going all the way.
Please
Fuck
do.
warranty.
Please do. Fuck it.
I said fuck warranty. Coming up, I have a big surprise for this car.
Ooh.
So I was thinking of doing a comeback for High Rev Garage because since I've been
Yeah.
a minute.
You need your time. You need your time.
People just knows it's a Hellcat Charger. It's stock. There's nothing. But I plan on making a video. I'm at works right now with a company and with Project Vision. with
Okay.
Nissan. So we're working on the video.
Damn.
Once the Y body full tank hit, the car's just gonna come out one. A whole new car just come out once.
Oh
in the
my
video,
fucking
and then
god.
I'm just gonna say we're back.
Ooh, I can't wait, bro. I
That's
can't
all
wait.
right.
That's how I'm gonna do High Rev Garage.
Yeah, buddy. Yui right here with the High Rev Garage. You know what I'm saying? Hellcat Red Guts. Delete it. But yeah, you see how you doing it, man. Make sure you guys go follow High Rev Garage YouTube channel right here on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Brother, man. My brother for life, man. Is on. Yep, ceramic coated. It's all game.
Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna save this. It's not fully cut it because I heard what your mom said.
Yeah.
Delete it. Go get a zip tie.
This is hard. We got
That's the water cool.
yeah, for the water that come on the window.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I'm about to have Yui delete my whole thing because I don't need that shit. All right, sis.
That shit dope. That shit remind me of Initial D, bro.
That's why she bought it.
That's fucking fire.
That's why we did it.
Hell yeah. Right, the tangy Initial D.
The Total Crew.
Woo.
I know Zombie watching that shit. I ain't watched it
I'm
yet.
telling you, it's fire. I think I'm almost done with it. Yeah, I'm in the last season.
I ain't never watched it
You
yet.
should watch it, bro.
What?
You watch anime? Initial D is a
Shit,
car.
I'm-
Oh God.
Hey, Initial D though. That shit coming on every
How you
day.
feel about it?
Bro, I could shed a tear right now, bro. It's been-
Damn,
it's been
that's
work my ass off.
hard. Damn. Yeah, that shit hard. That shit clean. When you was driving behind me, and then the car. Woo.
It's just crazy seeing everything that I wanted starting to happen, bro.
Bro, it's looking fucking amazing. Damn. This bitch bad, man. Damn, it's beautiful. This is hard, bro. Jeez.
I really got a carbon hood.
I know. You worked hard. You did it. And then thank God we did the roof black, because that shit just it just looks so much flows. Yeah. Damn. Okay, my nigga, son. I just damn, she got buttocks down there. God damn, this fucking raggedy ass truck fucking blocked it. Damn,
Oh, damn.
you see that?
Yeah, man.
She got buns, nigga.
Boy.
But yeah, so you feel good?
Bro, this shit's crazy, bro. And when I seen you just driving it, like, holy fuck,
It looks
bro.
different though, especially when you behind.
It's crazy, man. Cause like, people were already like looking at the car, cause like the wing is fucking, it's noticeable. So now with the hood, bro, I just know the reaction is gonna be crazy.
It was insane. This looks
Everybody's
good,
like,
man.
Oh shit! Look.
Damn. Yeah, this is hard.
And the fitment is good too.
Yeah, it only literally took like fucking 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah, this came out different, bro. Damn. I'm so excited for my little brother, man. His car came out so good. He's been working hard for that hood for the longest. He spent like $1,800 for it, and it took like about 3 months for it to get to our house. He had it for like the last 2 weeks or some sort like that. I think the last 2 weeks he had it, and son told me to hit up Yui. Yui came through and knocked it out for him, and I'm so happy for my little brother, man. He works hella hard. He takes his time. He get the proper stuff that he needs for his build, and he did it. So now he got that taken care of, and I'm happy for him. So that's that. And also, like we said with Mike, I'm going to race. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the Mustang out to the track, and I think it's in 2 weeks from now, 2 Sundays from now. So I will be ready to race. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited for that. I never been to the drag strip with this car, and it's a manual too. So I think it's gonna be a little fun to see how I perform, man. Just to have fun with it, and just see what happens, man. And that's something I'm really, really interested in doing. Like I told you guys before, I want to do a lot of racing with this Mustang. So before I start actually doing performance parts to the car, so it's a lot we're about to do with this Mustang. We're about to do a lot of stuff, and I got some good news coming up soon. And working on that next car, man, the next big purchase. You know what I'm saying? So I can't wait for that to come through for me. And God is good, man. That's all I can say is God is good. And I've just been working and grinding for every damn thing I want, and shit is working out. And this Mustang, I'm not gonna lie, it's just so fun driving this car, bro. Like, it's just so fun driving this car, and I enjoy it every single time. And like, before we end this video, make sure you do 2 things: like and subscribe, share these videos around. Also, go to immortalsociety.net and make sure you guys go copy you guys some merch. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what this car doing on the side of me, but it looked like she trying to like line up and me trying to race or something. But okay, I don't know what she's doing. But anyways, like I said, man, make sure you guys go to the website. That's the #1 way you guys can show support and help me grow this channel even more. Also, if you don't see anything that you want to buy, go down below to the Patreon and join the Patreon, become a Rich Gang subscriber. And every time I gain a Rich Gang subscriber, I will announce you guys on my video. And beginning of the video, I give you a special shout out. And that way you guys get free merchandise, so you don't have to go to the website. You'll be getting free merchandise off the spot. So I appreciate that. And I'm on my way back home. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. We out. Sheesh.